Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Din Info. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about Ranveer Singh's Dhurandhar 3 in the pipeline. Producer Ikram surprise Abir's 2026 year and we are not done. Dhurandhar producer left fans excited when she revealed that a key asset from Ranveer Singh led franchise is planned for the audience later this year by Loveleen Kaur published on 9th May 2026. The Dhurandhar Storm is not settling down anytime soon while fans are still reeling from the high-octane action of Dhurandhar The Revenge. It seems the masterminds behind the franchise have even bigger plans. Producer Jyoti Deshpande has dropped a massive hint. She recently revealed that the universe of Ranveer Singh's Hamza Ali Mazari is far from over. Read on. Dhurandhar producer teases with more surprises from the franchise. Aditya Dor's Dhurandhar and Dhurandhar The Revenge shatters box office records, but even after delivering a mega blockbuster, the makers still have a surprise for the audience from the franchise. In a recent chat with Bollywood Hangama, Jyoti Deshpande was asked about the future of the franchise after the back-to-back success of the two films. In her response, the producer revealed, Dhurandhar, we are not done with it yet. Hopefully, we will have a surprise for the audience later on in the year. Something up our sleeves. The statement has immediately sparked a wave of theories. While some speculate that Thor is preparing for a third installment, others are expecting a spin-off to be in the pipeline. After Dhurandhar The Revenge was released, rumors of a part 3 coming later this year spread like wildfire. While no exact of the expected movie has been released by the makers actor Rakesh Berry, who plays a key character in the film behind the speculations. While talking to Zoom, the senior actor quipped, I don't think a third part will happen, but Durandar is a franchise and it can be made with some other actors at any given point in time. The story ends with the spy going back to his nation. He also stated that the audience was keen to know what happens in part 2. Now they are seeking to watch Dhurandhar part 3. However, recent industry whispers suggest the surprise might be a full-length feature film documenting the making of the two films. It could be a collection of BTS footage and exclusive cast interviews which could be released in cinemas in late 2026. For more updates, stay tuned to Pink Villa. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.